Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Kaome 2-in-1 car phone mount. In Germany, we have this Kaome 3-in-1 because we have an additional part in it, and this is a hub for your ventilation area. I will show you later, but the official way, who it is sold in United States of America, it is 2-in-1. So let's continue. You can mount it on your dashboard. It is an upgraded phone holder for car, and of course in the air vent. You have a car phone holder, 360 degrees rotation, and it is universal use for all kind of smartphones, nearly all kind of smartphones. For example, Apple iPhone 11 Pro, Max, XRX and 8, etc. It's no problem, you can handle the older ones too. You can use a Plus model there too. That means a phablet is compatible with this system too. You can use a Samsung Galaxy Note 10, for example, and your Samsung Galaxy 9 and 10, and all kind of devices. You have here an upgraded, strongly sticky suction cup with sticker base. This car phone mount features a high-quality sticky gel and a locking lever, which can maximize the stability and keep the mount in place. If safely hold the phone, even on rough roads. That means you can go off-road and the mount will stay in position. The suction cup can stick on all smooth surface, dashboard, sticker base, ensure the film fixing. Oh yeah. That means you have a suction cup. This will hold in position, and additionally you have a plate with a gel on it. And also on the suction cup is a gel too. That means you have a gel glue, which will hold this mount in position, and an additional vacuum thing because of this suction cup. 2-in-1, you can see. Oh yeah. You have adjustable air vents. Then you can use the additional part in this set here. It is an air vent holding system. It looks like a clamp, and this clamp you can open and close by rotating. It is like a screw or a nut, but a nut with wings, and this will clamp the base of this hub in position on your car air vent system. This is the second thing, but the third thing is you can use the big suction lever by using it on your dashboard, for example, or you can use it on glass, on your windshield glass. Oh, that means 3-in-1. Oh yeah. It will fit with 99% horizontal and vertical air vents, but in my case, I have this hub we will install in a smartphone too. These air vents are not compatible because you need tiny slices air vents. Then it will matches. But in my case, I'm going to use this hub on my dashboard because this is the #1 function. The silicone pad increase grip and keep your air vent scratches free. Up-down bayonet and embedded clip makes your car holder and cell phone stable and reliable. The ultra-stable features makes you feel free to drive safety. And it is really easy, and it is easy to install and easy to use. You have a phone holder hub here and there on the left side you have a switch. You push this switch and the clamps right and left of the hub will open immediately. Then you dock your phone in position and you use one hand to close it. Job's done. That is all. The phone holder for car is compatible with almost all of smartphones, inclusive with the OtterBox cases. iPhone 11, XR, XS, Max, Samsung Galaxy Notes. It also features an adjustable feet area to just simple to switch it down and up if you have a larger phone which you like to connect. And it has an adjustable holding system right and left. This is like a clamp, and this will open by using the button, of course. Yeah, and it's easy. You can see it how I'm using it, so you can do this at the same. Just a simple touch you will need to open this car mount. After this, go and switch it in position. Job's done. You have a powerful adjustability and no block side. The car phone holder, built-in flexible 360 degrees rolling ball, rotates your phone on every direction. You have to lock it at the back side by using this big nut. But you can use it not with your hands, no problem. It is tool-free. You will not need any tools for this. And it finds the most suitable angle for your safe driving by pushing on the mount, rotate it. After this, stick it in position. That it is. How to adjust it. Easy, really easy. No block side, so that you can completely focus on the road and enjoy your trip. Oh yeah. And what it is, you have here 3 things in the set. One thing for the airline system, one thing for assembling on top of your dashboard, and the third thing is you can also assemble it on the wall, not on the wall, on the windscreen, no problem. And if you are you placed it in position and you like to remove it, it is possible. It is a little bit hard to pull on it. Okay, do this gentle and easy. Then the gear, you can reactivate the gear on the suction cap with water. It is an upgraded, strongly sticky suction cap. You have there in this, you have here the structure layer. This increased the stability. You have an alloy spring on it. Constant strong stretching. You have silicia, 50% more suction, and a soft gear, 10% larger, more suction. And this is important for this kind of hubs, I think. The older hubs do not have this soft gear, and that means if you're going on the road for a week and then for 2, then whoops, it drops. Oh no, smartphone is broken. And here, if you are assembling it on the dashboard, you have an extra dashboard pad. It is powerful base. It fits any dashboards. But and it's easy to install. Only way to do is remove the cover, push it in position. Okay, clean the dashboard before we are pushing it in position. Then take the suction cap, push it on top of this extra dashboard pad. Make a vacuum, job's done. Easy, easy. And you have a fixed air vent clip here. Okay, open and close by rotating on the screw. You have a rubber pad. This will not damage your air vent system. You can go up and down because it has a bayonet holding system, and it has an embedded clip. Really awesome. It is compatible with all kind of cell phones out there. Bare cell phones with OtterBox cases, no problem. Adjustable foot, 1 second release button, 2 inches up to 4.2 inches. This is large. And I think it's enough for every smartphone out there. It won't block your view. This is good, really good. And you have a 360 adjustable rotation ball joint and an adjustable rod. The rod is 140 degrees rotatable, but this is enough too. You have steady driving, 100% protect your phone. Oh yeah, because the phones out there are not so cheap, so let's protect them well. And it is possible with this Kaome 2-in-1 car phone mount for dashboard. I showed you on this video how to install it, how to assemble it, and how it works. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.